Functions review questions 24 and 25. Determine whether the function represented by the graph is linear or nonlinear. Then tell whether the function is increasing, decreasing, a combination of increasing and decreasing, or a combination of increasing, decreasing, and constant. So if you look at this graph, it's clearly not linear. It has to be one continuous straight line. And yes, each individual lines are straight, but it's not one continuous straight line. So we've got increasing here, increasing here, decreasing here, increasing here, and decreasing here. But then these parts right here, since it's flat, that's where our graph is constant. So the answer to 24, the graph represents a nonlinear function that has a combination of increasing, decreasing, and staying constant. Take a moment, pause the video, and get that written down. Okay, question 25. We're actually going to skip 25 because you're not going to do a problem like this on the test. So we're going to skip 25. Instead, I want to show you this problem. The graph below represents the time and distance Rylan was away from home. At right, Jack wrote a description of the graph. Is Jack's description correct? Explain your reasoning. So this is the graph. That is correct. The graph is correct. We're going to determine, is this description over here correct? So it says Rylan rode his bicycle 2 miles to get from his house to his friend's house. It took him 10 minutes to get there. Well, was it 10 minutes and 2 miles? Is this part correct? Yes, it is. He stayed at his friend's house for 15 minutes. Stayed means constant. Is that 15 minutes? No, that's only 10 minutes. So right now we know that Jack is not correct, but let's check the rest of his description. It says, then Rylan rode to Sheets, which is 2 miles farther away from his friend or from his home. It took him 10 minutes to get to Sheets. So 2 miles farther. Right now we're on 2 miles. Does it go from 2 miles to 4 miles? Yes. Did it take him 10 minutes to get there? Yes. So this part of the graph is correct. He stayed at Sheets for 5 minutes. Did he stay for 5 minutes? No. But according to this, he stayed at Sheets for 10 minutes. Then it took him 20 minutes to ride home. Here to here, is that 20? Yes. And did he get down to home? Yes. So that part's correct. So the way you would answer this question would be, you can't just say, no, he's not correct. You have to explain your reasoning. So the way you would explain it would be to say, Jack's description is not correct. Rylan stayed at his friend's house for 10 minutes, not 15 minutes. And he stayed at Sheets for 10 minutes, not 5 minutes. Again, the answer to this would be, Jack's description is not correct because he stayed at his friend's house for 10 minutes, not 15 minutes, and he stayed at Sheets for 10 minutes, not 5 minutes. So that would be how you answer 25. If you have any questions for 24 and 25, let me know.